Hey there. If you use the ArtRage painting app, have you ever wondered if there's an easy way to make a colour swatch or palette from the reference image? Well, wonder no longer. With this video, I'm going to show you how. Don't worry if you are using another app. I'm sure some of what I show you will also work in a different painting app. And if you are still with me at the end, I will share with you a script/action that will do this for you.
You have a choice of two interfaces in ArtRage. One is Classic and the other is the docking interface. I will be demonstrating the Classic, which you will find by going to View. Once in Classic View, we now need to go to Tool, Color, Color Options, Custom Color Picker. The next step is to import Picker. I will import this image I downloaded from Pixabay. When I click on it, you will see that it has also opened in my colour pod on the right. There are sites which will pixelate an image for free. I use LunaPic. You can follow me here. I upload the image, go to Adjust, find Pixelate and change to a pixel size which suits this image. So now I've imported this new image into my custom pickers. It is now in the colour pod also. By selecting the eyedropper tool from the tool pod, I show how the colour picker works. See how the colours are changing? I'll move this panel out of the way and show you another image already pixelated and another way to make a colour picker. Click on the new and you will see a sample box over your image. Move the box and sample a part of the image displaying a selection of the colours you will use. To save this sample, you pick a group and name the picker, which I'm not going to do. The sample also appears in the colour pod. Now I do the same with an image of a palette, which is not pixelated. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments if you use ArtRage.